and if you're new, welcome. My name's Sarah, and today we are doing another Walmart grocery haul. This haul is extra special because not only is it one grocery haul, it's double the pleasure, double the fun. No, it's not double mint gum, but it is a double Walmart grocery haul because this video is a collab with my awesome friend here on YouTube. Her name is Charity. Y'all make sure you check her video out. I'll have her channel and video in the description box below. And before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and let Charity introduce herself. So here's Charity.
Hey guys, I'm going to keep this really short because I know y'all want to get into Sarah's video and watch all of the grocery goodness that she has purchased. I did want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Charity. I am married. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 kids. I have a 4-year-old daughter. Her name is Riley. And I have a 19-month-old son. His name is Weston. On my channel, there's a little bit about Down syndrome because my son does have Down syndrome. There's a lot of Down syndrome love over here. And there's also a lot of cleaning motivation, organizing, decluttering, cooking, baking, craft ideas, hauls, blogs, all that kind of stuff. So if you like that kind of stuff, definitely come over and check out my channel after you watch Sarah. Sarah was so sweet to reach out to me to do this collaboration, and I'm so glad that she did. She's become a really good friend here on YouTube, and she's so sweet, guys. You're doing a good job by subscribing to her channel. Anyway, come check me out.
All right, now that y'all have met Charity, y'all, let's get to shopping.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know.
Alright, you guys, well, I am back from Walmart, so I'm going to go over everything that I picked up and go over the prices with you, and at the very end I will share the total. For a quick and easy breakfast, I picked up these sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits. There's 4 in there for only $3.28. And we love sweet potato fries. This bag was $3.48. And who remembers Checkers? So I got a bag of these Checkers fries for $2.57. For easy dinner nights, I got this 4-cheese pizza, and I went ahead and picked up a Supreme. They were each $2.78. So that is an easy, quick dinner. I also picked up a gallon of whole milk for $2.53. And I got our salad, the spinach and spring mix, for $3.66. Picked up some cherry tomatoes. These were $4.48. These are a good, quick, easy snack as well, that's healthy. I got 2 green bell peppers, and I went ahead and grabbed some fresh bananas. It was $1.31 for the batch of bananas. And I got a whole bag of sweet potatoes. Now this is a 3-pound bag, and they were on sale for only $2.44. So I felt like that was a pretty good deal. I got 2 cucumbers, both for $1.20. I picked up some mandarin oranges. This was $5.48. Frozen mixed vegetables. Now these were 57 cents each, and the peas and carrots were 77 cents. I'm not sure why they're a little more expensive than the mixed vegetables, but okay. And I got 2 bags of baby carrots for 98 cents each. And I thought this sounded good. It's a black cherry cranberry juice for $1.48. And I picked up some kombucha. I don't know if you've ever heard of this before. It's fairly new to me. It actually has live probiotics in it, so it does help with your digestive tract and help to build your immune system. So I'm going to start drinking these occasionally. I picked up some garlic powder. It was 98 cents. And I did get some paper plates. These are a little more pricey than what I prefer, but they are pretty heavy duty. And then I also picked up a kielbasa, turkey kielbasa for $3, and I got turkey dogs for $2.98, the Oscar Mayer brand. And then I went ahead and picked up a little box of chocolates, a Whitman sampler for $3 for my love, and some Sour Patch Kids for $1.96. I got Reese her little cheesy puffs for $1.96 each. And I got her some of these little vanilla flavored biscuits for $2.24. And then the arrowroot biscuits for $2.24 as well. Some garlic toast for $1.57. And I went ahead and picked up another box of hair color for whenever I'm ready to color my hair. This was only $6.92. It's the Clairol brand in medium cool brown, the Natural Instincts that doesn't have the ammonia in it. So I'll be doing that in the next few weeks. And this I'm super excited about. It's a fun new makeup bag. It just made me get all excited for summertime. I just love the light pink with the fun green leaves. And it's super awesome with all these fun compartments. Let me show you. I've got a pocket with the see-through mesh on the left side whenever you open it with the zipper. It's got another pocket that kind of folds in. It's got a zipper on both sides. And then it has an extra little bag that I can put like makeup brushes in, and another zipper on the side. So I'm super excited to clear out and declutter all my makeup and kind of put it all in this fresh new makeup kit. It was definitely time. I think my old makeup bag I've had since I was like 15 years old, so it's definitely time to switch things up a little bit. So here's the bag that you can put makeup brushes in or whatever, but I'll probably put my makeup brushes in this bag because it's a perfect size. So I'm super excited about that. It was $16.97, so not bad for it being over 15 years to get a new makeup bag. I feel like it's a good investment. And then I did go ahead and pick up 2 new little bath sponges for Peter and I. It's good to get new one of these every month or so. So I got a green one for me and the gray for him, and then I got our Everyday Clean Dandruff Shampoo for $2.74. So that was it, you guys, and the grand total is $103 for everything.
Alright you guys, well that is it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and leave me a comment and say hello. And don't forget to check out Charity's channel. I will have the link to her channel and her video in the description box below. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Bye!